To be honest, I click through all the pairs to the end and the volatility is too high. This needs to be traded on higher time frames.
A link to all the information is on the YouTube profile.
Therefore, I'm switching to 1 hour. I'll look for an entry point, on the hourly chart. So I like this moment. And for GPY, if the percentage allows, I want to go down for 4 minutes. The percentage allows. Let's go. Here we go. Reason for entry. There was a good full-bodied move. Then there was an attempt by sellers to go down. There was an incredibly large buyback after this good buyback. And with such a candle, I would say that the movement in this trend should continue upwards. But here is the dilemma. They are not letting the buyer go higher. They are suppressing. And as a result, they are going down now. So logically, I can already assume that some movement lower will continue now. We bounced off. Basically, there's nothing here. It turns out the highest point was right here. We didn't consolidate above it. So again, I can't say that we're going to fly up for the buyer now. We did go lower after all. This also confirms our movement lower. So this large volume was made, as I understand it, by us. Well, damn, there's nothing here. These volumes, well, damn these two. So there's liquidity to move down here to them. Well, that's one option. So by the profile, you can also say that it makes sense to go down. But actually, what caught my eye the most is a lot of volume at the bottom in the cluster. Specifically, Mass got large numbers. And there's a clear dominance visible. Plus, we also have an area of interest in the second and third points. And there's support from the seller above and logically lower as well. And by the way, the volume here was growing on the seller in this candle and the divergence is still active. Well, the obvious entry by all indicators is more downward than upward here. As you can see, the movement is not strong yet. About 40 minutes to go. We'll just wait. All this time, we actually persist in continuing to hang around at the opening point like, well, this doesn't suit me. So I would like to take another entry for a decrease here. This, of course, gives a plus. I want to take another one here just to try. We are waiting. By the way, I recently started studying this market. For those who have these things, who collect them, you can take a look here. I bought a cashback of 4%. As I understand, it is given for a year. Quite pleasant indeed. But the maximum look is a payout of $200 a month. Well, $200 a month is the maximum cashback you get back. Well, that's not bad either. There is a 10th level here, 500. Pretty decent numbers. So 5 seconds left until the end. This is the second plus on this pair. Not bad at all. So the amount is set for me. Well, let's move lower. We can keep bombing, but oops, they've already pushed it up. The cluster is saying, you can't keep bombing now. I'll go look for another situation.